Not creepy in the sense that I was scared, but creepy in the sense that I wanted this motherfucker to get away from me. I was taking a red-eye from Miami to Buenos Aires. It's a pretty long flight. Like an idiot, I thought that a middle seat at the front of the plane would be more desirable than a window/aisle seat at the back of the plane. It isn't. So there I was, in the middle seat of the plane with older gentlemen on both sides of me. The unspoken rules of the airplane are as follows: the aisle seat can extend their leg into the aisle, the window seat can lean against the side of the plane, and the middle seat gets both armrests. Those are the rules. I've been traveling for work for a long time, and those are just the rules. The guy in the window seat must not have known the rules, because he kept trying to push my arm off his armrest. I fought him for a little while, but eventually let him have the armrest and tried to get some sleep. Things neither escalated nor de-escalated until about 30 minutes after we had taken off. A foul stench reached my nose, and I couldn't immediately identify its source. I briefly inspected my surroundings and discovered that my window seat neighbor had removed his shoes. Exposed and naked to the world, his greasy toes wiggled and shamelessly exuded an aroma that was a mix of sulfur, sausage gravy, and mold. To my absolute shock, he lifted his foot nearest me, slid it out from the space under the seat in front of him, and placed it in the adjacent space under the seat in front of me, the space my feet were actively occupying. In the following moments, I realized I had a decision to make as to the severity of the conflict I would instigate. I had immediately decided that conflict would be unavoidable, with the brashness of my rude neighbor's most recent offense. There was a scale of following actions that I could have taken. I could have nudged his leg and treated the scenario like an honest mistake, which it was not. I could have gone straight to yelling, which would have been uncomfortable in the early stages of a red-eye flight. I opted for a multi-step approach. First, I accidentally stepped on his toes with my heel. He responded to this by pulling his leg up, clearly looking to readjust and place it back near where it was. I caught his knee as he pulled his leg up and firmly guided it back to the space he was allotted. No eye contact was made, but he grunted in displeasure of my actions. In anticipation of a retort, I remained ready to defend what little territory American Airlines had loaned me for the evening. As in most scenarios regarding any scale of conflict, my heart beat quickly and my adrenaline surged for triple, maybe even quadruple, the amount of time that the situation actually took place. After the incident, he appeared to abandon his invasion and spent the remainder of the flight impersonating a hibernating grizzly bear with sleep apnea. Fuck that guy.